Welcome! Today, we're pulling back the curtain on MarketinGear's unique approach to digital marketing for small and medium-sized businesses. We know that every business is different. That's why we ditch the cookie-cutter approach and focus on strategies tailored to your goals, your market, and, most importantly, your customers. Need more website traffic? We optimize your SEO with the right keywords and content strategy, helping you rank higher and attract the right audience. Struggling with social media engagement? Our team creates scroll-stopping content and targeted ad campaigns designed to boost visibility and sales. Looking to sell online? We build and optimize e-commerce stores with seamless checkout experiences, ensuring higher conversions and repeat customers. And now, with MarketinGear's AI-powered marketing platform, you can automate campaigns, analyze performance in real time, and optimize ads without the heavy lifting. No more guesswork, no more wasted budgets. Just smart, effective marketing that helps your business grow. Ready to take the next step? Let's get started. Book your free consultation call now